Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the sheet open. Now act. Click the blue Share button in the top right to open permissions. Once done, scan Current Access to see who already has viewer, commenter, or editor rights because that determines what you can change. Make sure you're on the right account, otherwise you'll be adjusting someone else's file. If you don't see the Share button, you may lack edit rights. Request access first before proceeding. Now add collaborators by typing emails or Google Groups and hit Enter. Include a custom message if you want context. Choose the correct role: viewer for read-only, commenter for feedback, editor to change content, because that controls what others can do. Next, click Change Link to switch between restricted, anyone with the link, or your organization only. This adjusts discoverability. Once you set roles, finish by opening Manage Access to confirm settings and to set expirations for temporary editors. This helps maintain control. If you need someone else to own the file, choose Change Owner from the three-dot menu next to their name. Remember, ownership transfers follow domain rules. After changes, test the link in a different browser or incognito. If someone still can't view the sheet, make sure they're signed into the correct Google account and that the link's visibility matches their access. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.